Welcome back. In this class, you will learn about online collaboration tools. Leveraging online collaboration tools can significantly enhance your ability to work effectively with others. Whether you're part of a remote team, working with freelancers, or collaborating with colleagues across different locations, here are some key strategies for using these tools effectively. Communication tools. Communication tools are essential for effective collaboration and interaction, especially in online settings. Here are some commonly used collaboration tools. Tools like Slack, Microsoft Teams, or Discord for real-time messaging, file sharing, and group chats. These platforms can help keep everyone connected and updated on project progress. Project management tools. Project management tools such as Trello, Asana, or Basecamp help teams organize tasks, track progress, and collaborate on projects. They often include features such as task boards, timelines, and file sharing capabilities. Platforms like Trello, Asana, or Monday.com can help you manage tasks, assign responsibilities, and track progress. They provide visibility into who is working on what and help ensure everyone stays on track. File sharing and storage. File sharing and storage services like Google Drive, Dropbox, or OneDrive allows users to store, access, and share files securely across devices with others. They often include collaboration features such as version control or file commenting. They enable easy access and collaboration on shared documents. Video conferencing tools. Video conferencing platforms like Zoom, Skype, or Google Meet facilitate virtual meetings, Microsoft Teams webinars, and remote collaboration. They allow participants to communicate via video and audio, share screens, or allow for virtual face-to-face meetings, and collaborate in real time, which are crucial for team building and more effective communication than just text-based communication. Collaborative editing tools. Collaboration suites like Microsoft 365, formerly called Office 365, or Google Workspace, formerly called G Suite, offer a suite of productive tools including email, document editing, file storage, and real-time collaboration features. These platforms enable multiple people to work on the same document simultaneously, facilitating real-time collaboration and feedback. Scheduling tools. Tools like Calendly or Doodle can help with scheduling meetings, making it easier to find a time that works for everyone, especially when dealing with team members in different time zones. Feedback and approval tools. Tools like ProofHub or Wrike provide for feedback and approval workflows, streamlining the process of reviewing and approving work. Virtual whiteboard tools. Platforms like Miro or Mural allows teams to collaborate visually, which can be particularly useful for brainstorming sessions and planning activities. Safety and privacy tools. Ensure that the tools you use comply with relevant data protection regulations and have strong security measures in place to protect sensitive information. Training and support. Provide training and support for team members to ensure they are proficient in using the tools effectively. This can include tutorials, FAQs, or dedicated support channels. By leveraging these tools effectively, you can improve communication, streamline collaboration, and ultimately increase productivity and efficiency with your team or organization. With this, we have come to the end of this class. See you in the next class.